Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we're diving deep into the EURUSD market, analyzing both the current news and the technicals of the charts. Recent news suggests a mixed outlook for EURUSD. Positive sentiment surrounds the Besant Treasury nomination, potentially impacting U.S. Treasury yields and the dollar's strength. However, concerning economic indicators from the Eurozone, like weak PMI data, could exert downward pressure on the euro. Let's now turn our attention to the daily chart. Here, we see the EURUSD has shown a relatively stable trend, consolidating between 1.05 and 1.10 in recent weeks, even though it was at 1.05070 today. The 1.06 level seems to have acted as significant support for the last few weeks, and now it is acting as resistance. The 1.09 region seems to be a key resistance, acting as resistance for nearly 2 weeks now. A break above 1.09 would suggest a bullish trend change. The 1.05 level, previously a support, will be considered now as a strong support, likely to be tested again if the price falls. Switching over to the 1-hour chart, we can see the recent price action shows a clear trend of short-term consolidation. The price is currently oscillating around 1.08 to 1.09. There's evidence of several support and resistance levels that are worth watching here, and they mostly fall between 1.08 and 1.09. On the 15-minute chart, we observe that volatility can be highly erratic. The price has moved up and down several times. Looking at the recent price action, we can see how the price has tested the support and resistance levels multiple times in the last few days. Let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart and examine a specific period, say the last 24 hours. Here we can see some short-term bullish and bearish reversals that are worth noting. Now, let's recap the important price levels identified in our analysis. The 1.05 level on the daily chart acts as a strong support, particularly if the price shows signs of weakening above this point. Conversely, 1.09 acts as a strong resistance level on the daily chart. The likelihood of a break above 1.09 depends on several factors: sustained positive news related to the global economy, improvement in Eurozone economic indicators, a significant weakening of the dollar. Similarly, a fall below 1.05 would likely be fueled by negative economic news from Europe or the strengthening of the US dollar. It's crucial to monitor these key levels and pay close attention to any upcoming economic data releases and news events that may impact the EURUSD's movement. Keep an eye on any potential technical breakouts above 1.09 or below 1.05 to confirm a trend change. Remember that this is just an analysis based on available data, and there is always inherent risk in trading. Conduct your own thorough research before making any trade.